Hello friends, this is Chatori and welcome to my vlog Chatori in the city. In this video, I'll be taking you to the tour of दूधसागर Falls जो कि कुल्लम में है and यहाँ से 2 घंटे लगने वाले हैं वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए as we have stayed in North Goa area in Kendolin Beach. So let's pack our stuff. Early morning निकलना पड़ेगा यहाँ से. It's 5 in the morning. We are getting ready to go to the Dudhsagar Falls. See, everything is packed up. We are checking out now. And it's going to take around 2 hours from here to reach the falls. Then I think we'll return back in the evening. Then we have to give our bike back from the person that we hired. Then what else? Then we have to go to motorcycle stand to board the bus to Bangalore. So here we reached to the ticketing counter of Dudhsagar Falls. यहाँ पे you can park your vehicles at the private taxi stand and then take the tickets. और यहाँ पे लंबी लाइंस लग जाती है टिकट के लिए. So plan to come in early morning ताकि जल्दी जल्दी टिकट्स मिल जाए and then you can enjoy most of your time on the falls. So शाम के 4 बजे तक the last jeep is booked. So be here before 4 p.m. and each jeep will carry only around 7 persons. So if you are planning to travel in groups, be mindful of that. And the ticket, it costed us around ₹400 per person. The jeep operator will provide you life jackets as well, but make sure to bring your swimwear along with you to go inside the pool. चलो चले. This jeep will travel through the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, and let me tell you one thing, this ride is going to be a bumpy ride as it is a forest area, so roads are not metal. So if you are bringing children or old age people along with you तो थोड़ी परेशानी हो सकती है because this ride is going to take almost 40 minutes from here and then you have to come back also 40 minutes in the jeep, so be mindful. I am going to be enjoying. I'm already happy so much to come to this place. This is the entrance of the sanctuary. यहाँ पे checking होती है tickets की. We also got some time to have selfies at this moment, so let's have selfies.
Sometimes I feel that my luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real.
Also our falls के गेट पे आ चुके हैं. So from here we will have to trek down. So let me take my clothes and bag and meet you at the falls.
So we are heading towards the waterfall now. This are the steps. पकड़ लूँ कुछ दो बैग दो. मेरे से चलने में दिक्कत हो रही है तो पकड़ लूँ कुछ. अभी ऐसे छोटा बेबी को लेके आई लेके आई.
कैमरे टिकट पे हाथ पे मत तुलवा लेना.
तुम चलो ना. कितने दूर जाना है यार? बहुत दूर है क्या?
Wow, amazing view, man. Railway track भी ऊपर. See, the train is also passing. This view is just breathtaking. I assure you, just come to this place and you will see That is so true. Also, let me tell you, इस फॉल्स का नाम दूधसागर फॉल्स इसलिए पड़ा था बिकॉज द वाटर इज सो क्लीन एंड क्लियर in the monsoon season. It seems like milk is flowing out of the falls. Hence the name Dudhsagar Falls. चलो, let me have this me time here. And मुझे अंदर स्कूल पे swim भी करना है. Though I don't know swimming, I have life jacket with me. So please comment in the comment section below and tell me if you have already visited this place or plan to visit this place in future. Also, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content.
Till then, Chatturi is signing off. Bye.
Eternal.